Hey, 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 hey.
Bitch, I'm blue. Say it.
I want a little baby panda. Please.
Hello, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing this TikTok trend. It was like half a snow thing and like half lava, and anyways, so I designed how I wanted it, and I wouldn't say glued up my eyebrows, but I used a bar of soap and I stuck my eyebrows up, I guess you can say. And then I went into my face paint and I used a light blue to go all over where I wanted the icy area, and then I used a darker blue as like a like to create shadows of the outer line, I guess you can say. And then I used the 39L Hit the Lights makeup palette by Morphe, and I was just using like the light blue, and I was also using colors from Blue Blood from Jeffree Star to set the paint and to blend in colors to make it more like vibrant, I guess, or like to make the colors like stand out more, like the shadows and stuff. And then this is where I started doing my eye look for this side. So I kind of took this grayish, this grayish color, and I put it to where my crease was going to be. And then I took, I believe was Blue Mondays on my outer V, and I took this shimmery white shade from the Morphe palette, and I did my eyebrows with an angled brush, and I mixed black and dark blue to get the color I wanted, and then I was just carefully doing feather strokes into the eyebrow. And then I started doing little extra details like snowflakes and little dots of snow and stuff like that everywhere around that area. And then that's when I started in the next area. I started out with orange, but then I kind of didn't like it. But anyways, this was before, so I was using red to like be like the shadowy area, but I didn't really like the orange, so then I ended up just covering my whole face in red. And then I used like this dark brown to contour. Then I started using these colors to do that eye area, or eye look area. And as you can see, you can like really see my eyebrows on the red side. You couldn't really see it on the blue side. So yeah, I kind of like messed up my eyebrows on that side, but that's okay. Because, you know, we're learning. We're here to learn. Anyways, I end up using black eyeshadow around the areas like where I wanted it to be like shadowy, and then I end up like blending it all the way, and it took a very long time. That's all I'm gonna say, like forever. And then I didn't really bother to record this part, but I was using yellow face paint to make like the cracks of like the lava hitting like the ice and stuff, because you know lava gets cold and so it starts to crack. So yeah, that's what I did. So I'm going to show you guys how I usually put on my eyelashes. First, I put a line of glue near my eyelashes, and then while I'm putting my, when I get my falsies out, I also put glue on the line, and then when it gets tacky, that's when I put it on, and it like helps more easier and like better for the eyelash to just like pop right on, and most of the time it won't move. Sometimes I do have to put glue like on top of that so it can like stay there for like a long time. And I don't remember what lipstick I use, I just remember it's from Jeffree Star, and I end up using 2 eyeshadows out of that Morphe palette as highlighter. Of course, it was 2 different shades. One of them had like more of a pinkiness to it, and the other one was like more blue-ish in it. So yeah, this is the look. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget that I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much. I'm Mr. Green Christmas. I'm Mr. Sun. I'm Mr. Heat Blister. I'm Mr. 101. They call me Heat Miser. Whatever I touch starts to melt in my clutch. I'm too much.
What's up? What's good?
It's been like, stupid sad, dog.
Who's messing with your vibes?
My grandma, dog.
I'll fuck her up, dude. She messing with you?
No, like, she kind of already got, like, fucked up. Like, she